And I just want you to answer the question. Do you continue to write love letters to Danny Rowling?
I write him about 3 times a week, sir. And in those letters, I'm very candid about whatever my feelings might be at the time.
Your Honor, would you please instruct the witness to answer the question I've asked? I've asked whether she's writing love letters, and the answer is yes or no.
Ms. London, you must answer the question. You may characterize how you respond in your letters. If that would give you latitude to answer it in a manner that you would see fit.
All right, I'll repeat exactly what I just said. I express my emotions, whatever they may be, at the time.
Is one of those emotions...
Mr. Walker, Ms. London, that was not the instruction of the court. You must answer the question, do you write love letters to Danny Rowling? If you would prefer to answer that question by saying how you would characterize your responses in those letters, you may have that latitude. You may not repeat your prior answer. Do you understand? Okay.
I have not written Danny Rowling any love letters this week.
How about the week before?
No love letters last week either.
When was the last time you wrote Danny Rowling a love letter?
I'm not sure. I don't have my files with me.
Was it this year?
Was it this year?
1997?
Yes.
Was it after September 1 of this year?
Whoa. I'm not sure. I haven't reviewed my correspondence and assessed the contents.
Did you write him 3 letters last week?
Mm-hmm.
And you don't remember what you put in the letters?
Oh, I remember.
Okay. Was there anything in the letters that professed love or expressed love or the emotion of love? How about the week before?
No.
Week before that?
Maybe.
The week before that?
Maybe.
And look at Exhibit D. Did you write all of that appears in Exhibit D?
No.
Okay. Who did? Who helped you?
Some of it I wrote, some of it Danny wrote.
And when Danny writes to you, you decide what to put on the website or not put on the website. Is that how it works?
That's correct.
Okay. And it's your judgment completely.
That's correct.
Does Danny ever ask you to put things on the website?
Never.
Does he know that you're placing things on the website?
Yes.
Let's look at Exhibit E. Autographs.
Autograph.
Have that? Now, you've already testified that what he does is he sends you his autographs. Is that correct? Sends them to you in the mail? He sends you the autographs in the mail?
Right.
Okay. How frequently on a weekly basis, or on a week basis, would you get autographs from him?
Well, I'll need to explain the answer.
Okay.
The autographs that I've featured on the website are a particular kind of autograph, okay? They are written on a gummed label, okay? They're intended to be attached to the book for people who want autograph books. Mm-hmm. Now, if you want to see an autograph, every letter I get has an autograph.
Okay.
Okay? So I get autographs constantly.
Do you sell those autographs that are on the letter?
No.
You just sell those autographs that he gives you separate from any correspondence, is that correct?
The autographs that I have made available to the public through this website are the autographs that are on the gummed labels. They're intended to be placed in the book.
Mm-hmm. And how much do you charge for those autographs?
I don't have a fixed price.
Well, how do you establish pricing?
Whatever I feel like, whether I like the person or not.
Well, give me a range from what price to what price.
I wouldn't want to stand.
Your Honor, object to this. This does not go to an issue in this case. These autographs are not crimes, nor they fit within the statute. Being offered that what the price of what she gets for is irrelevant. The issue in this case goes to the account of crime and the money therefrom. you're trying to establish a relationship with Miss London and Mr. Rowley, which is why I've not objected up to now, it may be relevant for the purpose that the autographs exist and that they're sold, but as to what you get, it's irrelevant.
The objection's overruled. Go ahead and answer the question.
Give me a range of prices that you charge for the autographs.
I'd say from $0 to $100.
And how do you establish difference between $0 and $100?
As I said before, however I feel like it.
So you'll charge someone $0 and you'll charge another person $100 just based upon how you feel. Is that essentially?
Right.
Okay. All right. And how do you distribute the autographs? You fix them to the book and then what do you do?
I guess it would depend.
Excuse me?
It depends.
Well, tell me how it depends.
Some people want it affixed to a book, or they might want a book or whatever. Some people just want the autograph.
Do they buy the books directly from you?
The books are not sold by me. The books are sold by the distributors, the publisher, the stores, whatever.
How do the autographs get on the book? How do the gum labeled autographs get on the book?
Just peel it off and stick it on.
Okay, but do you do that?
I have at times, yes.
How
Sometimes I
do
do, sometimes I don't.
How do the autographs get on the books that you don't sell?
I don't know.